So how do you know your skin barrier is damaged or compromised? Hey dear lovelies, welcome to my channel where we share DIY skincare products, hair care products, tips and tricks on how you can get healthy glowy skin. If this is what you are interested on, please subscribe to this channel, share this video, and let's be one happy family. You will know when your skin barrier is damaged when you are having skin dryness or flakiness, redness and irritation, increased breakouts, burning sensation, especially when you apply product. If this is you right now, don't worry, let me show you the home remedy I use to restore my skin barrier. Let's go. So the first ingredient is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is known for its healing properties. It calms irritated skin and also it hydrates the skin. I use store-bought aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera if that's what you have. Just know that it sometimes darkens the skin. So again, I use coffee. Coffee is good for anti-aging. It's good for reviving slacked skin, damaged skin, and also wrinkled skin. This solution is going to be watery. That is what we want because watery solution penetrate into the skin deeply, so it's very good like that. And next we are using turmeric. Turmeric powder is very good for healing the skin. It's lighten dark spots and also revive damaged skin. So we mix these three ingredients together. I make small batch because it's only for my face, so I use teaspoon each of the ingredients. So the mixture is ready. You will then prep your skin and then apply. It's going to penetrate deep into your skin because as you can see it's watery and that is what we want. So feel free to use this every day. It's very good and is safe and effective. Trust me when I said this mixture is going to repair your skin barrier. So that's all. And another trick to maximize the healing process is you need to drink a lot of water and always wear your sunscreen. It doesn't matter whether you're going out or you're staying at home, just wear your sunscreen. Minimum of 30 SPF. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing skincare and hair care content. Bye.